Is your ON monitor not reaching its advertised refresh rate? Here's why. ON monitors, while budget-friendly, often default to 60 Hz due to limitations in HDMI versions, display settings, and software configurations. HDMI versions 1.4 2.0 support up to 4K at 60 Hz, while HDMI 2.1 is needed for 4K at 120 Hz or higher. The monitor's on-screen display settings might not be set to the maximum refresh rate. Also, your Windows display settings and drivers need to be properly configured to enable the higher refresh rate. Ensure your cable, source device, and software settings all support the desired refresh rate. If one component fails, the system defaults to 60 Hz for stability. Common issues include resolution scaling problems and low-quality HDMI cables. First, access your monitor's OSD using the buttons on the monitor. Navigate to the Display or Picture Settings menu and manually select the highest refresh rate available, such as 120 Hz, 144 Hz, or 165 Hz. Next, in Windows, open Settings and go to System, then Display, followed by Advanced Display Settings. Choose your ON and monitor and click Display Adapter Properties. In the Monitor tab, select the desired refresh rate from the drop-down menu. If the refresh rate is not listed, ensure your display drivers are up to date. Use NVIDIA Control Panel or AMD Radeon settings to check for updates. Use a high-quality HDMI 2.1 or DisplayPort cable to ensure the signal can carry the higher refresh rate. If using a console like PS5 or Xbox Series X, enable 120 Hz output in the console's video settings menu. If problems persist, check for available firmware updates for your specific ON monitor model on Walmart's support site. Following these steps, your refresh rate can increase significantly from 60 Hz to 144 Hz or higher, improving smoothness and reducing motion blur.